Ever since the beginning of our existence, it's been in our nature to survive, evolve, and create. Era after era, we push ourselves further than before. But do you reckon the age dawning upon us is unlike ever before? With new advancements in artificial intelligence, humanity is about to reach its peak in technology. Are we as a society ready for this change? Computer science, one of the 5 disciplines from the broad field of technology, is the field that allows us to study the science of computers so we can integrate them into our society. Other fields in technology such as information technology or computer engineering include a rigid structure of learning and executing. However, when it comes to computer science, professionals can be as creative as possible. This video explains the 3 major subdivisions in computer science. And toward the end, I will discuss how other studies are influenced, affected, and even threatened by this field of study. Programming. What is it? Well, according to most sites, it's a way of giving computers instructions about what they should do next. But all that theory is kind of boring, huh? Well, you're in luck, because I'm going to teach you Python in 60 seconds. Okay, let's write a comment here. Use the hash symbol for single line comments and triple quotes for multi-line. Variables. Variables store data. What kind of data? Well, the 4 main data types are strings, integers, floats, and booleans. String variables are words and character data. Integers are number data. Floats are numbers with decimal points. And bools are true or false data. Now, how do we achieve user interaction? Output and input statements. This is the syntax for output statements. It prints words on the screen. And this is a way to enter data into a variable. If statements are quite simple. If this condition, then do the following. Okay, but what would a problem look like in Python? Well, let's ask the user to input their name, and if it's Leon, we can print it back to them. First, ask for user input with a variable. Then, check with our if statement. Finally, write our print statement. Wow, look at that! You just learned a bit of programming in 1 minute. Database management is the storing, retrieving, and manipulation of data entered by the user. Creating a simple database is not too challenging, but can grow complex with different software. Some even use special programming languages to assist in the creation of databases. The most popular and basic database management system is Microsoft Access. At this point, you might be wondering, what is the difference between Microsoft Access, a database, and Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet? While their function of storing information is similar, the database was created to hold much larger amounts of organized information. They also allow multiple users access to different interfaces in which they can manipulate this data in a creative way. For more precise and complicated databases, programming languages such as MySQL is used. And now I'll give you a rundown of how MySQL program works. With this software, there are 4 main functionalities. SQL development allows us to create and handle connections to databases. Data modeling allows us to create a visual model for our databases. Server administration gives admin powers to monitor MySQL servers. Data migration allows us to import data from other relational type databases to our workbench. As you can see, there are many ways you can come about creating a database, and its level of complexity ranges from beginner to a mastery level, making it easy for anybody to learn. Networking is a bit different from other fields under computer science, that being because it does not require programming nor algorithms. Networking allows the computers you program to connect to other devices or endpoints on a network. The term network is used, but really what is it? The term network is intangible, as you cannot see the data before your eyes. These devices are however connected by either cabling or radio waves. Topologies are network structures in which the devices are connected to each other. These include the middlemen that are switches, routers, access points, and etc. I will be using Cisco Packet Tracer and Networking Simulator to demonstrate a basic VLAN trunking protocol. Varying technological skills in the 21st century could give anyone an immediate advantage. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the number of jobs will increase by 11%. Considering the United States of America is a very technological-driven country, similar numbers could not be found in a country like Belize. Both countries follow a capitalist rule. Therefore, bringing new technological opportunities and educating the youth with such skills could increase our economy by a significant amount. But is this really what our society wants? The technological revolution has caused some skepticism across religious groups such as the Christians. Is it ethically right? Is it morally right to be a religious person and support the progression of technology? The answer should most certainly be yes. The word technology comes from multiple Greek words meaning the sum of techniques, skills, or methods. It is in our human nature to create things to simply survive. And then of course came the creativity and curiosity. Possessing skills, a degree, or even a simple interest in computer science can not only benefit society but also yourself.